Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl, your sister, your friend, Glad Makeover TV. How are you guys doing? I greet you all according to your time and according to your location. In this very video, I'm going to show you guys how I wash or clean my makeup brushes. Yes. Relax with me and let's watch this video together. Please, if you are washing your makeup brushes, please don't use cold water or hot water. Always use warm water, because it's only warm water that will clean your makeup brushes and it will not spoil it. That is, it will just still be normal. So please let's wash it together. Now this water that you are seeing is warm water, so I just add little soap to it. Now I'm cleaning. Please don't just put your makeup brush inside the warm water with the soap and just think if you shake it everything will just go away. It will not go away. You need to clean. Use your hand to support the soap and the water, as in the warm water. So that is what I'm doing. You see the way the brush dirty, that is what I'm trying to show you in the camera, so you see it, but at the end you will see everything will just clean. So please, even your eyeshadow brushes, if you are using the one, maybe the one you use with purple color, you want to use it with another color, if you did not wash it and you use it, see, this is what I'm trying to say now. Like this one, they're eyeshadow brushes. So if you're using it, if you use it in one color and you want to use it in another color and you did not clean it, the color will not come out nice. So you need to clean your brushes every time, but not just once you just go and wash it, no, but at least is what you need to be doing often and often. So please guys, if today is your first time you are coming across my channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God will richly bless you. There are a lot of things that I do here in my channel. Yes. If you want to learn how to make up, just scroll down. If you want to learn how to tie gele, scroll down. There are a lot of things here in my channel. So if you have subscribed to my channel, you are blessed already, because you will gain a lot here in my channel. And please, if you have watched this video and you like what you see in this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, leave your comments, and if there's anything you want to know, please just leave your comment at the comment section. Or if you want to contact me direct, go to my Facebook page, Fashion Home. You can contact me there, or contact me through my email. That is under description. You will see my email there. Just contact me. Please. So I'm still washing my brush, guys. I'm still washing it, because the brush is not what you just put in the water. That 1 minute you just get the results. No. So I'm still washing my brush. Please, like this brush I'm washing, I'll just wash it not once. I will wash it and throw away the water, the dirty water, and I will re-put another warm water again. Then I will rewash it before I use another clean water. So you see, these are the things that some people just take it as normal, that washing makeup brushes like wasting of time. Please, my fellow women out there, it's not wasting of time. Is what is really good, and it will really help you. You see the water now is very dirty. I throw it away. Then I want to put another warm water. Then I will put the brushes inside again and the soap. So is what is good. Please guys, I said it before, support my channel, support my video. Please share my video out so other people will learn from it. Because a friend asked me, now I have not, since I've been using my makeup brush, I have not washed it. I thought if I wash my makeup brush they will spoil. No. Don't use cold water, don't use hot water. Just use warm water with the soap. It will not spoil your brush. Even you yourself, when you wash your brush and you just maybe after 1 hour, when the brush is okay, you yourself will like the brush. So like, it's different from when it's dirty. So please, it's good we wash our brushes. So you see, I'm still washing my brush. I'm still washing. You see the difference of the water that I used before and the one that I'm using now. You see the difference. So now let's keep on washing. Please guys, relax yourself and watch the video and support your girl. I'm still saying it again. I say may God richly bless you for supporting my channel, for being there for me. I say may God richly bless you all. Thank you all. Relax yourself, enjoy the music, and share my video out if you have not shared it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see this particular one that I'm touching, that is still very dirty. So not all you just put in the water and you just bring them out. So just try and wash it very well. Wash your brush is very, very important. Thank you all. May God richly bless you. Glad Makeover said, may God richly bless you all. Bye bye. Relax yourself and watch the remaining video. Enjoy the music. Bye bye. If you know it now, my brother, you go eat tomorrow. If not picking you the fine, my God. Musa Musi. Because I forgot for the first one. For this, the lyrics. God bless you. I don't know. This is Champagne, aka DPO. A true life story, I won't tell you. Make I tell you, my brother, my sister. Make I tell you, make you listen. It's not easy for this life, my brother. It's not easy for this life, my sister. When man go grow, it go grow. People go tease it, it no go grow. When you get small, but one day you go grow. Don't suffer, don't be small. It's not easy. Waiting I go tell you, my brother. Nothing with God, nothing do for you. Oh, sister, nothing with God, nothing do for you. Oh, God, my brother. If you sleep, you go wake up. Not be by your power, by your mind. La papa God, it do it no easy. Make you no reason now. One day you go blow. Put trust in God. Put trust in God.
sister. Don't leave God alone. My brother, my sister. No reason now, no reason now. Nothing God cannot do. To hope in God. Nothing God, that God cannot do. To hope in God. If you know it now, my brother, you go eat tomorrow. To hope in God. If you don't work hard today, you go work hard tomorrow. Make I tell you, my brother, put up in God. Make I tell you, my brother, put up in God. If not picking you, they find. If not picking you, they find. My God. Musa Musi. Musa fait fuck off for the first one. For this the lyrics. Comme là, c'est un autre note. Non. So this is so.
This is Champagne, aka DPO.
Yeah.
A true life story, I won't tell you.
Make I tell you, my brother, my sister. Make I tell you, make you listen. It's not easy for this life, my brother. It's not easy for this life, my sister. When man go grow, it go grow. People go see say, it not go grow. When you get small, but one day you go grow. Go suffer, can't be small. It's not easy. Waiting I go tell you, my brother. Oh, in God. Nothing with God, nothing do for you. Oh, in God, sister. Nothing with God, nothing do for you. Oh, in God, my brother. If you sleep, you go wake up. Not be by your power, by your mind. La papa God, it do it no easy. Brother, make you no reason now. One day you go blow. Put trust in God. Put trust in God. My brother, my sister, don't leave God alone. My brother, my sister, no reason now, no reason now. Nothing God cannot do. Oh, in God, nothing God, but God cannot do. Up in God. If you know it now, my brother, you go eat tomorrow.